Caterpillar D8 2U6481, a 1949 bulldozer, initiates its first start after 5 years at a vintage machinery event. This 148 horsepower diesel with a D342 engine uses a pony motor for ignition. It leveled land across post-World War II. Rolls-Royce Viper, a 1950s jet engine, powers up to 13,000 RPM at a private test site. This 4,000 pound-force thrust gas turbine, built by Armstrong Siddeley, was designed for military jets. It propelled RAF fighters like the Jet Provost in training missions. Alco RS-3 No. 4 116, a 1952 diesel locomotive, operates on the Battenkill Railroad at the Eagle Bridge Exchange. This 1,600 horsepower engine, originally built for the Greenwich and Johnsonville, switches cars. It preserves a legacy of Northeast railroading history. MEP-003A, an Onan air-cooled diesel generator, starts after 2 months idle at 8 degrees Fahrenheit. This 10-kilowatt unit, with 3 of 4 glow plugs working, faced a 2-degree night. It once powered military operations reliably. Maybach HL 230P30, a 1940s V12 engine, initiates a Panther Tank at Aus Armorfest 2022 with an inertia hand crank. This 690 horsepower, 23-liter engine uses a flywheel system. It drove German medium tanks during World War II battles. Ursus C45, a 1947 Polish tractor, undergoes registration with a winter startup and inspection drive. This 45 horsepower hot bulb engine, a Lanz Bulldog copy, powered post-World War II farming. It showcases Poland's agricultural recovery efforts. Kirovec Kladrub 2, a 1970s Czech modified tractor, operates with a steady diesel engine at a vintage machinery event. This 235 horsepower machine, derived from the K700AA, features a MZ238 NDZ V8. It plowed fields in socialist-era Czechoslovakia. Skandia 2x50, a 1920s Swedish hot bulb engine, powers Ulf Svensson's boat Ellen at Vinga. This 50-horsepower two-cylinder diesel, built by J.V. Svensson's Motorfabrik, uses crankcase scavenging. It propelled fishing boats across Scandinavian waters.
Yep.
Keith Black Hemi, an 8.2-liter Nitro V8, powers a top Fuel Dragster during its first startup after timing adjustments. This 11,000-horsepower engine, controlled by Michelle, surges at the COTR-AMS facility. It's built for 300-plus mile-per-hour drag racing runs. A 500-kilowatt primary ventilation fan, an industrial giant, activates at a mining facility after routine maintenance. This 670-horsepower centrifugal fan, built for high airflow, manages ventilation with self-closing one-way doors. It ensures safe air circulation underground. Bolinder Munktell BM 1051, a 1950s Swedish hot bulb engine, powers a narrowboat after preheating with a blowtorch. This 15-horsepower single-cylinder diesel, with a 1.5-liter displacement, excels in marine use. It propelled fishing vessels across European waters.